Ever wonder why some couples stay together for decades while others break up after a week of texting wide back and forth? Or why your grandparents still hold hands, but your last relationship barely survived the "what are we" conversation? Well, my friend, love isn't just magic, it's science. Today we're breaking down the science of love, why relationships last, and how your brain basically turns into a chemistry lab when you fall for someone. What is love? Love is not just butterflies and Netflix passwords. It's actually a cocktail of chemicals in your brain. Your body releases dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin, the same chemicals that make you obsessed with chocolate or your ex. Psychologists say love has three main stages: lust, thanks testosterone and estrogen; attraction. This is when dopamine makes you text them 24/7 and forget to eat. Attachment. Oxytocin kicks in, and suddenly you're planning your dream house with 5 cats. The secret to long-lasting love. Okay, so how do some couples stay together forever, while others crash and burn faster than a Tinder match gone wrong? Science says these are the key factors. Communication. Say it or regret it. Couples who talk it out stay together. Period. If you expect your partner to just know why you're mad, congrats, you failed relationship 101. Shared experiences. Make memories, not drama. Doing new things together keeps the relationship fresh. Science says adrenaline boosts attraction, so go on that crazy roller coaster ride. Laughter. The love glue: couples who laugh together last longer. Ever notice how inside jokes make people feel closer? That's oxytocin at work. If you can roast each other but still cuddle after, that's real love. Why do relationships fail? Alright, time for the dark side. Why do some relationships crash and burn? Red flags that science says destroy love. Lack of trust. Your brain goes into stress mode when you don't trust someone. Negativity. Overload. If there's more complaining than compliments, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Taking each other for granted. Oxytocin fades over time if you stop putting in effort. How to keep love alive forever. Want scientifically proven ways to keep love strong for the long haul? Here's what research says. Keep flirting. Even if you've been together for years, send that cute text. Stay curious about each other. People change, so never stop learning about your partner. Prioritize quality time. Put the phone down. Look at your partner. Yes, they're still cute. Conclusion: the science of love in one sentence. Love isn't just a feeling, it's a science. Want a happy, long-lasting relationship? Talk, laugh, try new things, and never take each other for granted. What's your secret to a long-lasting relationship? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone you love.